WSD, World Stage Design. It's an exhibition of individual designers.
We celebrate the best of performance design, so it happens every 4 years in different countries and different cities. This year we are having the fourth one, which is WSD 2017 in Taipei, Taiwan.
We in theatre are only small groups of people working together. We're a lot of theatre practitioners all over the world, but still, when you're on a production, you're with a small team.
That's why we created WSD as a platform and as an umbrella for all these categories in performance design. We do see that demand of individual designers who has the desire to showcase their work, who has the desire to connect with other designers around the world. Alongside with WSD, we have 3 different other international events that will happen together with WSD every 4 years. They are Scenographers. We have performances, workshops, master classes. And theatre architecture competition, pushing the boundaries of theatre architecture. And technical invention prize. We call for simple and small solutions for theatre works.
Core value of WSD is that it brings people together, because you have a great opportunity to meet other people and to meet other practitioners. Normal expositions, if you go to a museum, the artist is not there.
However, in WSD, artists are present. You can share your idea to that person. You can speak to the person who created that work.
And it's so nice to put them all together. It's very important for people to reach out to other people and to make a bigger community of people that are involved. And
one of the most challenging things of doing WSD is how do you navigate through cultural differences. We're all from different countries, from different cultures. How do you navigate through those cultural differences and together create something beautiful? And that is also the fun part of WSD. WSD is always evolving.
And we have it in a lot of categories nowadays. It's not an exposition really, it's also a festival.
The function of arts, or should I say the function of theatre, is you don't know you need it until you see it.